everyone, my name is Stephanie. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to those of you that have been subscribed from years ago. And if you're still subscribed, you just probably forgot about me. That's why you haven't unsubscribed or whatever the reasoning may be. Yeah, I'm back and that's all I'm gonna really say. I don't want this to be a long intro or anything like that. So with that being said, today's video is going to be me dyeing my hair blue. I just kind of want to run down a little bit of like my hair history. This is all virgin hair. This is all virgin hair up here and everything else is bleached. Obviously, I had my hairstylist is my cousin, and I had her like do a whole bunch of things. I didn't know what I wanted. I never know what I want with my hair. With my hair, nails, anything, I don't know what I want. I'm very indecisive about that. So yeah, I had bleached it, just an ombre, and then I went ahead and said I want a balayage, and I just kept going like that. So that's why like my hair has just different tones. Some are very icy, some are very warm. It's been through a lot. But the color still takes on very well. I'm not expecting it to be like icy blue. I just want to show you, I guess, how it will turn out. I don't know. I just want to help one or two of you if you never dyed your hair. So the hair color I'll be using today is by a brand called Suavecita. They have hair care, hairstyling products, beauty products, and color too. So this is it right here. It's the Suavecita times Trolls collab. It's new. It's a new collab. They just dropped, and I already actually used the pink in this collab. The pink was awesome. I loved the pink. I honestly like kind of wanted to go back to it, but I want a different color now. Like I want to change it up. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm using the color Chill Blue. It's so cute. Look at that little troll. Little detail of the packaging. So it's a semi-permanent hair dye. So what that means, it's a direct dye. It doesn't have a developer in it. You don't need a developer, so it's not gonna harm your hair. It's actually going to condition it since it is conditioner based. So it won't damage your hair at all. You do have to have pre-lightened hair, which meaning you have to have bleached hair. If your hair is not bleached prior to applying the color, for example, if your hair is this color or even black, it will not show up. This is vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, all them frees. Yeah, so don't sleep on this. This is legit. I love this stuff. Like I said, I already used the pink one. Previously, I used a green one. Before that, I did, what did I do? Up the purple. Yeah, so I've done a lot of their hair colors. This is, they only have a few colors in the Trolls collab, but it's still really cute and the color's bomb, and you should try it out if you've been looking to dye your hair, you know. Just know you have to have pre-lightened hair. I'm hoping to get this done quickly. Hopefully I don't make a mess. So yeah, let's get into it. Sorry if you hear that. I need to get a new chair. I'm like on a hunt for a new chair. I just haven't found a chair. But anyways, sorry for this week. That will be happening in hopefully the next video. So yeah, I just changed into a shirt that I don't care to get dirty, even though I love this shirt. But it's a black shirt, and I know this won't stain it or anything like that. And I like sleep with the shirt sometimes. Sometimes I wear it out. Sometimes I go to the gym. Point is, wear a shirt that you won't mind it getting a little messy. So you will need some gloves. Protect yourself. You're gonna need a bowl, and this is a cute little Suavecita bowl to put the color in. I'm also using a clip to section off hair and a hair tie because I have a lot of hair. This is gonna take some time. So yeah, and then your color. I like to start from the bottom up. So yeah. Sorry if I'm looking this way, that's because that's where the monitor is. I don't have a mirror, I don't have anything. Oh yeah, another thing. Optional, a brush to like brush on the color. I am lazy and I use my hands. So that's why I'm wearing gloves, but no matter what, wear gloves. That's what she said. And I'm lazy about sectioning my hair too. Mind you, I'm not a professional. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I like to work in sections. I have a lot of hair. I'm excited. I've seen this color and it's beautiful. I know it's not going to be the color that I would want it to be because I would have to bleach my hair again, and I'm just not trying to do that, you know? As much as I really want to, I'm just not trying to do that. I probably will, honestly, depending how this goes. If it's not like as light as I want it to be, I might. But that's the thing I like about having semi-permanent hair color. Once you have your desired bleached hair or whatever, then, you know, it's easy for you to change up the color constantly. So if you're somebody like me that gets tired of hairstyles, hair colors, whatever it may be, you might want to try the semi-permanent route if, you know, you can. If your job or whatever allows it. So opening up this baby. Looks like this. How cute thing. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, I'm using 2 because I have a lot of hair. It might not be long, but I have a lot of hair. It's really thick. So like I said, since I already know I'm using a lot, I'm just gonna take it out of this and look at that color. So pretty. The color, yes, babe. This is one so far. Sorry, it's messy. Yeah. Look how cute. Let's get it. Ooh. This is so hard without a mirror, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is really hard without a mirror. I haven't been blue in years. I think I have a video, like old video of me with blue hair. Can't even see it. Yes. I'm excited. Alexa, what up, ho? Play Logic on Amazon Music. Yeah.
I'm icy. I'm clean. I'm icy.
What else loves Logic? Comment down below.
Follow me.
So one thing to note with colors like these is just to saturate the heck out of your hair. Like saturate that shit. So yeah, don't be shy. You always want to buy more than you think you need, honestly, in my opinion, because it's better to have more than not enough. I have a feeling it's going to be like a greenish blue, especially when it fades out. Can already see it through here because, like I said, I have different tones in my hair. And I'm not taking this all the way up because there's no point. Like I said, if you have darker hair, the color won't catch on. I'm just taking it up to where I know where my balayage pretty much ends. So, this is what it's looking like so far, honestly. I'm really happy. I thought it was going to be darker and greener. Now I haven't washed it out yet. That's going to obviously make the biggest difference when I wash it out. But so far, I like it. Since this is a lighter color and my hair isn't like, all of my hair wasn't level 9 to 10, I'm going to leave it in for a longer time. I'm expecting to have like green and blue throughout it because, like I said, some of my pieces were pretty warm tone, like pretty much yellow. So I'm not expecting this color right here throughout it all. So I'm gonna let this process like about 40-45 minutes and I'll be back. So this is what the color turned out like. But yeah, I love it. A little bit of it is green, like right here, as I expected. Like I said, if you put blue on top of like a yellow or anything like that, it's gonna turn green. So this was more of like a warmer golden tone to begin with. So that's why that caught on that caught on green. I'm not mad about it though, like it is what it is. I like it. It's like mermaidy. All I did was rinse it out with cold water. I didn't even use shampoo or conditioner. I didn't use shampoo because I had just shampooed my hair like the night before that, so it was still pretty clean. And also I didn't condition it because the actual product itself, the hair color, is conditioning. Another thing I want to point out is it did not run at all. Like, obviously it has to do with the fact that I didn't shampoo or anything like that, but even previous colors like the pink that I had, it did bleed a little bit once I washed it out. That's normal. This one did not bleed at all. Like, I was like, because I was expecting it to bleed a lot, and everything came off as far as like what was on me. It came off with just scrubbing it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this color, honestly. It's different. I haven't had this color in a while. Like blues in general, I haven't touched in a while, so I'm really happy with it. Yeah. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up here because if not, I just won't shut up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, bye.